Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through Opera GX player settings. Now this Opera music player is available in the sidebar in Opera browser. This is it. This is the player. I'll show you how I got it here. You click on the three dots at the bottom here of your sidebar and then you see the player here. Make sure it is turned on. It will show. So I've shown you how to do that. Now it helps you to listen to your favorite music from services like Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, Zelle, and Tidal. By clicking on Music Player in the sidebar, a simple panel will open up. Then you log into your existing account to enjoy your music, use your created playlist, and browse the web simultaneously. This is what they're talking about. I'm already logged in to YouTube Music, as you can see. And the best part is that it is detachable, so you can move it beyond the browser window. This flexibility lets you position the music player wherever you like on your screen, making it easy to keep the music flowing while you work. To use your favorite music services in Opera, left-click the music player icon in the sidebar, then select the service you want to log into. So if you left-click, so you click on the top here actually, with the arrow, and then you choose if it's Apple Music, Zelle, YouTube, or for the settings. So you choose the one you want. So that is it. You can enable it. After you enable the music player, we'll go back to what we were doing. You see where we enabled the music player. So let's go back. This is the player, and this was how we enabled it. We turned it on here. It's as simple as that. So that is it about the music player. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.